Hi friends, and welcome to Taci Studio. I'm Taci, and today I am here to talk to you about some news that I was hoping it was just a rumor, but ended up that after doing some research I found out that it's true, which is about the JOANN's craft stores closing. Our beloved JOANN's store is closing if they are not able to figure something out in the next 2 months. So I am so very sad about that, because of course I have lived here in the United States for 35 years and I have always been able to know that I could rely on JOANN's for all my craft needs. And I just decided that after I heard these rumors that I wanted to do some more research, and I went to my local JOANN stores and I wanted to see it with my own eyes. And when I got there, what I saw just made me even more sad, because I had been seeing that for a few months now. I think since October or November. I could not pinpoint why, but the store had been so unorganized and it had just so many things missing, and I really did not know for sure what was going on. But I'm going to go through with you on this video after my visit there and during my visit there what I have found out. I hope you stay with me if you like your local JOANN store, and come with me on this little journey to my local JOANN store. I'm getting here to make a video, show you and talk to you about what I thought it was a rumor, but which looks like it's not going to be. It looks like it's true. What is going on with JOANN's store, and are they going to close? I'm here at JOANN's, and according to what we are hearing, they are going to close, and I am going in the end of this video show you and talk to you a little bit about that. But you can see that the shelves are pretty empty, so I am going to go and show you some of the yarns in the back. They have lots of crafts for $1 and very cheap, and unfortunately the other thing is the store is very messy. I think that they might not have enough people to come and do the work. And the store is pretty unorganized. There are things everywhere, and in the middle of the store they are not putting things back, it looks like. And now we have arrived in my favorite area, and look how sad. All of these beautiful yarn bins are pretty much empty. This was full of yarn before, and it just really makes me sad. So now we all know that in 2024, JOANN had filed bankruptcy with the hopes to reorganize the store and restructure and be able to keep going. Unfortunately, I think that their hope did not come true, and on January 15th of 2025 this year, JOANN's had a press release where they confirmed for the second time that they had filed bankruptcy, reason being for financial challenges and how the reorganization have really affected their business. They have done this press release, and on it they said their first objective is to reorganize and sell the store. They have gotten one bid from Gordon Brothers, and they are still seeking other buyers, because the second thing that they confirmed on that press release is that they're going to continue to keep their stores open, the online and the physical stores, and that their employees will continue to get paid and to receive benefits. However, it is very clear by the way that the store looks, and you can see that on some of the pictures that I showed before, and on these pictures and on this video that I am showing now, that they do not have very many people working on the stores. When I was at the store yesterday, I have asked them if they knew what's going on, and if they had information, if JOANN's had informed them formally of what's going on. And the person that talked to me that works there said that they have not been formally informed of anything, and that they know what we know and what is being released on the social media. They only had 3 employees for the whole store. And I have to tell you, the store, my local JOANN's, it's near Portland, and it's a very beautiful, this JOANN's opened less than 2 years ago, and it's a very beautiful, it was a very well organized store. And you can see by the way the store looks now that there's nobody doing maintenance or organizing or even putting their inventories out for people to buy. The shelves are completely empty. The store is filled with boxes, and I have asked people before. They said this is the inventory that they have, that has new inventory that has come to the store, and that we are welcome to look on the boxes, but they don't have enough people, and they don't have enough time when they have people there, because in general they only have 3 people now in the store. They have 1 cashier and 2 people on the floor, which is 1 person on the cutting table and 1 person on the floor to help with the whole entire store, what people need, and to put inventory out and to do online orders. Yes, JOANN's will continue to pay their employees, and to receive, the employees will continue to receive benefits, but they do not have enough employees on the stores to be able to actually serve the clientele that they have. And the other thing that I felt was that the people who work there, they were so very sad with this news, because I know that some of the people that work on the stores, they have worked for many years. I know a lady who said she worked for JOANN's for 20 years and she's a cashier there, and she loves, and every time I go there, she's there. So this is also going to be a big loss for the people who work there. JOANN's have a store or stores in 49 states in the United States, and they have over 800 stores. So if somebody does not buy the store and continue, this will be a huge loss for everyone who does crafts. The reason why the store is closing is because there are now so many resources for you to buy online that not very many people go to a store, and it's so much more expensive to keep a brick and mortar store than it is to keep up with a online store. So I myself really like to be able to get a yarn, to be able to touch the yarn and know what it feels like. When you bind something else, I think that it's easier to buy online, but yarn for me is way more the feel for it. Just so like with fabrics, some fabrics, I think that it's important to feel the fabric that you are buying. So I did buy some yarn there, even though I do not think that the sales were like a huge percentage sale, but I am a little worried that I was not going to be able to get this yarn again, especially on sale, and some of them I do not know if they will be available. So I did get and grab some yarn, and I also grabbed some fabric, and they had lots of storages on sale, of course. And I got these fabrics because I really want to make some baskets, some rope baskets, and if you like that or want to try that, you can go check my cousin Crafting with Paula. She has a very nice instruction video that you can go check it out if you are interested in making those baskets, and they are so cute and fun, and I'll post a picture for you to see. The truth is that yes, it is not a rumor, and JOANN's itself made the announcement on January 15th, and it was something that wasn't a surprise, knowing that they had filed Chapter 11 bankruptcy in February of 2024, and that this is the second time. Now the hope is that they're going to find somebody else that wants to buy and make a better bid and buy this fabulous store that has served so many people and that has so many fun things and so many good sales. I hope, and I continue to say, it's very sad for me, and I'm really hoping that in this next couple months something is going to happen, that they're going to figure something out, and that we get to keep our beloved store. So I hope this was helpful to you. If it was, subscribe and hit the like button, and so you can keep coming back to videos like this or the other videos that I make. I hope you have a good week and that you stay healthy, continue to knit, crochet, craft, or do what makes you happy. I hope to see you soon. Ciao.